What was the first Amrita Rao moment for you?
जब आप वो पिंक सलवार कमीज में
Oh, entry मारते हो?
मतलब पहले बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स थे मेरे दिमाग में, वो मोमेंट दिल में है.
अच्छा. Yeah, I know that kind of became
I
iconic or
yeah.
whatever.
How do you remember that pink salwar kameez moment?
You know, if you ask me, for me it was like, yeah, I did a good shot. But the reaction I got, like, oh, she walked looking like a demi-goddess and her hair and all. I was like, yeah, okay. See, that's the best part, you know, like, no, don't think so much about the result. Stay focused on the action कि अभी मुझे ये करना है, इसको मैं बेस्ट कैसे कर सकती हूँ, बात की बात में देखेंगे. It's that focus, you know. I think today people are so distracted about कि ये मैं ऐसे डायलॉग बोलूँगी तो फिर ये वायरल हो सकता है, फिर इसके रील बन सकते हैं, फिर ये हो सकता. Hello, you know, just focus on मैं अभी संजना हूँ, मुझे ये ऐसे बिहेव करना है, ये करना है, and बाकी सब हो जाएगा, मीम्स बन जाएंगे. Yeah.
Vibes लीजिए.
हाँ,
Just wanna give you good
vibes
vibes.
लीजिए. Time for जल लीजिए.
Oh wow, it's like a dream. It's like I'm living in a dream right now. A mid 2000s dream which has come to life in 2025.
Yeah. Although people on Instagram say 90s की हीरोइन. I like 90s के हीरोइंस को मैं स्कूल में देखती थी, क्या बात कर रहे हो? So yeah.
No, but enjoy the fame. We all have a very nostalgic energy when it comes to you. Like in a very
Yeah.
nice way. It takes us back to the best times.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what we associate you with.
Isn't that so amazing? Like I totally feel so blessed, Ranveer, because you know when I look back, कभी-कभी मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मुझे, what if I had debuted now? You know, what if I was an actress like in these times of Instagram and but I feel नहीं यार, वो ज़माना बहुत अच्छा था. वो फिल्में अभी बन नहीं सकती.
Yes, I agree. वैसे फिल्में अब बनती नहीं.
नहीं बनती. You can't make another Ishq Vishk. You can't make another मैं हूं ना. You can't make another Viva. I'm so convinced. Even a Welcome to Sajjanpur. You know what a soul that film had. Legend of Bhagat Singh. All these films that I have done, I think they're super, super, super special. और ऐसी फिल्में बन ही नहीं सकती. And you know what the best part is? They're just becoming bigger with time.
Yeah.
They're just growing deeper and deeper in the hearts of the audience.
मुझे याद है जब मैं हूं ना रिलीज हुई थी, मैं शायद 6th स्टैंडर्ड में था या 7th स्टैंडर्ड में, और उस थिएटर
मैं
में
8th स्टैंडर्ड में थी.
उस थिएटर में मैजिक था. That's what I remember. Like that whole film had magic. If you see it today, I think the film still has a lot of magic.
Of course.
Moments, you know, music.
चले जैसे हवाएं.
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah. I still listen to all the songs.
Of
I think
course.
a lot of other people.
You know, that's Farah Khan for you. No director like her, honestly. She should do more films, but she's busy making more money. Anyway. But I think the way Farah envisioned that film and चले जैसे हवाएं, मतलब one take में गाना शूट करना, वो भी वहाँ पे दार्जिलिंग के उस पहाड़ पे, and the clothes and the fashion and everything. And imagine today we have heli cams. That song Chale Jaise Hawai was shot on a Jimmy Jeep. You know, where the Jimmy Jeep came down from the crane and then it follows me into the classroom and I come on the other side of the campus and you're still continuing to dance and whoa, you know. And I just wonder that aaj ki date mein agar Farah Khan had the technology of a heli cam, what would she shoot Chale Jaise Hawai like, man?
I'm 99% sure we'll see one more Farah Khan film at least. At least one.
Like Main Hoon Na 2?
I hope so. मैं हूं ना 2 का प्लॉट क्या होगा अमृता, वो बताइए.
प्लॉट का तो पता नहीं, मगर उसमें दिलीप जरूर होगा.
Love Dilip. Shout out to Dilip.
Yeah.
Cutie of Indian YouTube.
Yeah, dude, seriously. दिलीप!
आप देखते हो फारा मैम का चैनल?
You know, honestly, I haven't watched as much as the episodes I should have, but मुझे लग रहा है मैंने जायद खान का थोड़ा एपिसोड देखा था, and yeah, but I see the reels and I'm in wonderment looking at Dilip going to Abu Dhabi and to yahan pe, wahan pe and everywhere. Like, it's amazing how she's made a star out of him.
Yeah, I've always wanted to host Farah Khan on the show since a very long time. और मुझे main सवाल उनसे ये पूछना है कि how did you transition from being a choreographer into a film director into a content creator? मतलब common link क्या? Is it creativity? Is it energy? तो rather than asking Farah, I'll ask you. So what do you think?
I think it's creativity. She's very creative. I mean, otherwise you can't envision songs like that. Na Kabutar ud rahe classroom mein aur Sushmita aa rahi hai aur R.D. Burman ka music background mein play kar raha hai. What we saw in terms of visuals in मैं हूं ना, आज भी लोग सोच भी नहीं सकते.
Yeah.
So yeah.
There's another Farah Khan memory of her being an Indian Idol judge. And she was the most fun judge. Like, you would get scared of Sonu Nigam and Anu Malik, but you'd wait for Farah Khan's input.
Yeah.
She's a very fun person.
Farah, actually, I was at that age when I had not found my personality, and I used to like really look up to her as somebody who was like the Jill of all trades. And I would be like, my God, what sense of humor, and how she is literally like the woman in a man's world, like she literally calls the shots in a man's world. So I used to be in awe of her until today. I always say that she's been my mentor. She's like, I call her Jhansi ki Rani. So she's Jhansi ki Rani for me. She can do anything. Yeah.
In media language, it's not easy to survive for, I don't know, she's survived for 25, 30 years. And
Yeah,
that's
more than
insane.
that. More than that.
Yeah. And still at the top,
Huh.
Something that's gone highly correct. And she has a family life. So
Yeah.
it's she's one blessed person, I feel.
Of course.
Lot of blessings.
You when you meet Farah, you'll see the aura around her.
Oh, really?
She has very, very, very positive and high energy that keeps, her in action all the time.
Yeah, I think ये ना definitely media के लिए, but हर industry के लिए एक बहुत ज़रूरी skill होती है कि आप अपने energy levels को high कैसे रख सकते हो permanently. You have to figure it out, and everyone has a different system. जैसे मेरा system है कि नज़र.
I think sometimes you're just blessed, yeah. It's destiny. You can't fight destiny.
Some people have it, you're saying.
Yeah, because sometimes, especially when you're in the middle of 2 or 3 films and so much of action, you don't have time ki baith ke nazar utaru. Many times that happens. So, I think it's your destiny. Nobody can fight that.
मैं हूं ना के set पर कोई memories हैं शाहरुख खान के?
See, I think my most special memory of Mr. Khan will be that मुझे याद है कि when we were shooting for मैं हूं ना, I think in one of those breaks he was shooting for Kal Ho Na Ho, and he specially called for me and my mom to come to Filmistan studio to meet him. And there was this room for him, and like there was a TV, and Anu Malik ji ka kuch to gana wo dekh rahe the. And he literally took that 1 hour of his lunch break to tell me that he said, I have met a lot of newcomers. I've seen a lot of actors over the years. He said, you truly have the quality of a superstar, I won't say this for A, B, C, D actors who are around, but I'll say it for you. You really have that quality. And he said something very nice. He said कि 200 फिल्में आएंगी मगर हमें सिर्फ 2 फिल्में करनी है. And I think that has been like my underlying, choice criteria while choosing work. And okay, he also said this, that 200 फिल्में आएंगी हमें 2 ही करनी है, मगर फिर वो एक फिल्म हो, वो ऐसी करो कि कोई नहीं पूछे कि अरे ये कौन सी फिल्म थी, ये कब रिलीज हुई. वो एक ऐसी फिल्म हो कि everybody knows कि ये फिल्म आ रही है and they are waiting for that film's release to watch it. So yeah, that has been my criteria while signing my films, and I think that's why I've been so selective in this journey. Yeah.
This phase that he had before Jawan with those 4 years of not seeing hits. What were you thinking as a fellow actor?
Wow. I was really hoping that, that one film comes where, because it's a very, it's not a great place to be, right? When films are not working and the whole world is using that opportunity to say everything they wanted to leave you that, to have you leave that throne, which happens to the best of us. They just wait for that one opportunity. So I was really working, I was really hoping that film works for him. And I think everybody was waiting कि ये film कहाँ जाएगी, उनकी किस्मत कहाँ जाएगी. Yeah.
Hmm.
But I think he must be prepared for it. Yeah, he's Shah Rukh Khan. I'm sure. I think the destiny of one film or the box office, reactions to a film must be not affecting him. I think so. Yeah.
Hmm.
I think he reads a lot. He's spiritually built himself a lot to be affected by
Why do you say that?
log kya kahenge.
Why do you-
I think genuinely, whenever I watch his content, when I hear him speak, I feel that he is very well read and very spiritual, and I can see that spiritual growth in him, which he has consciously built. So I don't think he will be in a position where he'll be affected by Log Kya Kahenge or the Friday release, the fate of a Friday release. Yeah,
I think Main Hoon Na was shot in 2003.
4. Yeah, 3. Yeah,
Shot
3.
in 3.
Yeah, shot in 3. Yeah.
Do you remember him from then? And was he different than the Shah Rukh Khan you see now?
Yeah, he was different. I mean, he was funny all the time. That sense of humor comes along with him. So, but I think he was little reserved, little focused. Yeah, very much into the character. But what I loved about him was that whole thing of, observing कि मेरे साथ newcomers है and taking that energy from us. Like newcomers are always like that कि पहले take के पहले हम लोग एकदम इतने focused रहते हैं. So he observed us, he somewhere took that energy from us, and every single time, the first take was the best take. There were no second takes because his whole temperament was second take देना ही नहीं है. You be so focused that पहला ही take इतना best करो कि second take की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. And that's what we learned from him, that after so many films, if he could have that one take, best take energy, isn't that so motivating? Yeah.
पता है, कुछ देर पहले आपने कहा था कि फेम की वजह से चीज़ें आपसे छीनी भी जाती हैं. I've often wondered that about Shah Rukh Khan क्योंकि उनकी लाइफ मुझे perfect लगती है. And I'm sure we'll never know also, what has been taken away. Because he's very...
I think the world knows it now. Matlab, his father, parents. He lost his parents at a very young age. That's such a big pillar of your life being taken away. Then he always mentions about his sister, who's, I think is going through a lot of personal issues. So that sadness is always there, right? And no fame can fill that void.